Do you run an unattended self-service laundromat? Integrate NAYAX's cashless payment solution into your laundromat for the ultimate in ease and convenience for you and your customers. NAYAX is a complete payment solution with telemetry and a back-end management suite. Receive text alerts if machines stop working. Minimize vandalism and theft. Easily set up multiple pricing configurations. NAYAX can be installed on a pay station, stacks, or individual machines. Choose the configuration right for you. More and more customers want to pay via cashless. Don't miss out. Contact NAYAX today.